Welcome to my math in action lesson. My name is Tahseen and this is my channel Tahseen's Lyceum. Today I will teach and learn why two negatives give a positive answer. In the beginning, let's talk about what are positive and negative numbers. A positive number has a value greater than 0. Its sign is positive, but it's usually written without a plus sign in front of it, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah blah blah. A negative number has a value less than 0. Its sign is considered to be negative and it's written with a minus sign in front of it, like -1, -2, -3, -4, blah blah blah. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number. Now let's come to the question. The fact that a negative number multiplied by another negative number produces a positive result. To explain why this is the case, think the number line. First, imagine standing on the number line at the point 0. Suppose it's you. But you are going to walk backwards, a negative move. Facing the positive direction, you are taking 2 steps backwards. So you are now standing on -2. I mean -2. Hence, negative into positive equal to negative. Finally, back at 0 again. Face in the negative direction. Now take 2 steps backwards and then again 2 steps backwards. Now you are standing on +4. By facing in the negative direction and walking backwards 2 negatives, you have achieved a positive result. Hence, negative into negative equal to positive. In speech, we can also see 2 negatives cancel each other out. Don't not do it. It means please do it.